How to register for Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to register for Airbnb. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Airbnb application on your device. If you do not have the Airbnb application, then you can easily download the Airbnb application from your App Store or your Play Store, and once downloaded, launch the application. You will be led to this type of interface. Now, in order to sign up to Airbnb, you can sign up using your mobile number, or you can also sign up using your email ID, your Apple ID, your Google account, or your Facebook account. If you want to sign in using your phone number, then go ahead and enter the phone number in the phone number text box and further tap on the continue button. You will then receive a verification code in the number you just entered, so go ahead and enter the verification code sent on your number and tap on continue. You will then be asked to fill in your personal details, so go ahead and enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and email. Once entered, tap on the agree and continue button, and with this you will be successfully registered to Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.